Hi, I am Oner Doser. In this video, I will be speaking about sunspots, their cycles, and their relationship with the planetary cycles. Also, all these relationships with the climate change and the economical changes. First of all, let's talk about the sunspots. What are they? The sunspots are seen on the sun's surface with 11 years periods. These sunspots are the symptoms of the electromagnetic activity in the depths of the sun. The astronomers have been counting the sunspots since Galileo's time. We are in minimum phase of solar cycle 24 now in 2019 and heading to 25, which is supposed to start in the year 2020 and reach its maximum in 2025. The latest NOAA and NASA co-chaired international panel to forecast solar cycle 25 released their latest forecast for solar cycle 25. The forecast consensus was a peak in July 2025 minus or plus 8 months with smoothed sunspot cycle SSN of 1511. The panel agreed that cycle 25 will be average in intensity and similar to cycle 24. Additionally, the panel concurred that solar minimum between cycles 24 and 25 will occur in April 2020. If the solar minimum prediction is correct, this would make solar cycle 24 the seventh longest on record for their 11.4-year cycles. And let's talk about sunspots and the climate change. The astronomers and astrophysicists claim that there is a relationship between the number of sunspots and the solar activities. When the solar activities increase or decrease, the number of sunspots also increase or decrease respectively. Some scientists also claim that sunspots are related with the climate changes, and in the latest few years, some solar scientists announcing that their measurements seem to suggest a significant change in the number of sunspots. It was announced that our sun is preparing to be less active in the coming years. The results studies seem to show that even as the current sunspot cycle swells toward the solar maximum in 2020, the sun could be heading into a more dormant period with activity during the next 11 years sunspot cycle greatly reduced or even eliminated. December 2019 NOAA NASA panel concurs that solar cycle 25 will peak in July 2025, and the NOAA NASA co-chaired international solar cycle prediction panel has released its latest forecast for the forecast solar cycle 25. According to the consensus of the experts attended to this panel, solar cycle 25 may have a slow start, but is anticipated to peak with solar maximum occurring between 2023 and 2026 and a sunspot range of 95 to 130. This is well below the average number of sunspots. And the panel said last spring, adding with high confidence, that cycle 25 should break the trend of weakening solar activity seen over the past 4 cycles. When the solar activity is at its maximum, the sun gives off more heat and is littered with sunspots. Less heat in a solar minimum is due to a decrease in magnetic waves. In the cosmic forecasting site spaceweather.com, it is shown that the solar minimum gets deeper day by day. Some scientists are claiming that the sun is about to enter a prolonged cooling period. If so, if we are going to a cooling period, how it will affect our lives? According to some theories, the climate changes are related with the economic cycles as well, and the solar cycles are related with the planetary cycles.